my dog. Give me.
Give it.
Don't yell!
Don't yell! Jane stole my dog.
Don't yell.
Thank you.
Hey, you said you were doing some Sour Patch Kids.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't, because I already gave you some.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't. And you know you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
When was that?
Yesterday.
It wasn't yesterday. You just said it today.
Then today.
Okay. Then where are they? They're in my stomach.
Hmm.
Where are they? Where are
Oh, my armpits smell good.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I put on deodorant. My mom's bathroom. Get! I know you're.
You did it to him.
Yeah, but when she was
I
excited.
mean her.
When she was excited. Okay, you can do it to her if I get her excited, okay?
What? What?
I'm getting her excited so you can do it to her.
Wait, I want to do it when she's calm. Oh.
I did it. Did it. Wait on. Here.
Get her excited.
Ow. You bit me? You rolled with thumbs! Tell me.
Don't. I just wanted to. Go get Lulu.
Yeah? Yeah? Yes.
You guys drink that? You just need. Oh, you just cracked my toe.
What's a buy?